My plan change is to use the All Wales Food Chart as part of a standard assessment tool for every patient upon admission. So what made me think about the All Wales Food Chart and want to make a change with it and how it's used in practice? Well, that was mainly down to my own personal student experiences. When I was on the ward, I would observe patients being weighed upon admission, but sadly that's where most nutritional assessment tended to stop. I did see the All Wales Food Chart being used on practice. However, I was disappointed when it was used a few days or even a few weeks into a patient's admission time. Malnutrition is a concern within hospitals. IHI UK launched a campaign called Hungry to be Heard. They state that a higher number of people become malnourished within hospital, and that the failing is that often it is not detected or monitored. In 2009, the Conservative Party found that 175,000 people were recorded as being malnourished upon admission. However, 185,500 people were malnourished upon discharge. That means that over 10,000 people became malnourished after being in hospital, where they are supposed to be provided with good quality care and for their illnesses to be cured. Following the release of these figures, it was highlighted within the media at the beginning of 2010 with such headlines as "Hard to Stomach, a record 10,000 patients hit by malnutrition," which the Mail headlined. The Guardian headlined, "The elderly leave hospital malnourished. Figures show more hospital patients malnourished on departure from hospital than on arrival." And a hard-hitting headline by The Telegraph was that almost 50,000 patients a year die in hospital while suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition has been recognised as a major concern by the Welsh Government for over a decade. And they say that nutrition is an essential part of the care that patients should expect to receive. The All Wales Catering and Nutrition Standards for Food and Fluid Provision for Hospital was produced, and within these standards, initiatives were put in place, and the All Wales Food Record Chart was one of those initiatives.